I'm at Caravan Salon, although the trade fair hasn't actually opened yet and people are still setting up stands, so apologies for the noise in the background. Now, I know in the past I've said some nasty things about cars which are trying to be campers. This is a van that's trying to be a camper. It's not trying to be, it's very much being a camper. It's really quite outstanding in my opinion. This is the Campocito and it's called Orchestra Exclusivo. And so you can see from the outside, van with a tent in the roof, but come inside and have a look what's going on in here. Right, from around 60,000 euros. First of all, we've got a table which will move around on these rails, backwards and forwards. You can get it in the position you want. Now bear in mind, this is a van which measures 190 by 530. So you want to use the space as best you can, and it'll go in up and down in this way as well. Now through there we've got a toilet, and coming in you can have an indoor shower or an outdoor shower depending on your requirements. Now with the tent down, it's about 2 meters in height, so you could still get into the toilet and do whatever you have to do in there with it down. Maybe as you stop on a long drive, but you don't want to get the tent up to get in there. Down here we have got a fridge. There we've got a bit of hanging space, and at the back there's a bed. How does this work? Well, seats come down and then the bed comes out. Also in here we've got, there's the kitchen. Okay, it's only one burner, but hey, you're getting quite a lot of other things as well. And up there you've got a place for your knives and forks and utensils and glasses and what have you. Down there you've got your electrics, and you've got 2 panels on the roof, which if I remember right is 280 watts worth of solar. And there it is. Okay, here, right, well, we've currently got this bike rack, but what if you want to keep your bikes inside? There are 2 bikes in there at present, and they will come out. You have 2 bikes. I think of all the problems I had there getting my bike, my one bike, into my VW camper. Right, and you can see up here got the mattress, which will fold forward once the seats are down. On this side you've got some pockets, and on this side you've got some pockets as well. And I suspect these pockets you can fill them up at home and then stick them into the van like a bag. But that's not all, because we can actually put more here. There's this box here which will take, well, the back of the van is going to be 90 kilos, 45 for the box and 45 for stuff which you can put into this box, which is, I think it's 300 litres, can't quite remember, but it's pretty big. Also it's got some more solar on the top, so that'll keep your power nicely going. It comes with 3 wheels which can be taken off if necessary. Well, would be necessary, because if not you're not going to get it on the back, and that fits onto the back up there. So I think for a van like this, and 60,000 euros or from 60,000, you're getting quite a good camping package in a car which can be used on a daily basis. So it's I know it's hard to say the difference actually between vans and cars, but VW, it's in my opinion, they've really thought this out well, what you can get into a short or small space. So what do you think of that one? I've actually filmed Campocito in the past because I've got this interesting way of moving the toilet backwards and forwards, which you can see in films I did at I think it was at Dusseldorf last year. In fact, it was Dusseldorf. It was in this very same position. Right, so I'm Caravan Salon. Got anything else you want to see here? Let me know. I'm going to try and get this up as soon as I can, so you can see it, and requests, write them down and I'll do my best to film them. And thanks to Campocito for allowing me to film on their stand and bothering them when they're still setting their stand up. As you can see, other people, well, some people haven't even started getting the stand set up, such as these people here.